Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make collard greens in Instant Pot step by step. Trim stems, stack leaves, and roll tightly for easy slicing. We'll season with smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and a splash of apple cider vinegar for brightness. I guide you through sautéing aromatics, layering greens, setting the Instant Pot to high pressure for 15 minutes, and quick releasing safely. By the end, you'll have tender, flavorful collards ready to enjoy. I walk you through sautéing onions and garlic until soft, then deglazing with stock to capture flavor. Layer in collards, pack gently, and set the Instant Pot to high pressure for 15 minutes. After a controlled quick release, check leaves for tenderness and simmer briefly if needed to concentrate flavors. This method keeps bright color and deep flavor while saving hours compared to stovetop braising. Serve with vinegar or hot sauce to taste for traditional tang. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like for more kitchen tips. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings cozy kitchen tunes and hands-free timers that boost your cooking flow. Imagine setting timers and asking for conversions while you chop, all without sticky hands on your phone. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more recommendations, thumbs up helps a lot. Now let's get back to the video. I explain seasoning choices like smoked salt, red pepper flakes, and a splash of apple cider vinegar for balance. Taste as you go and adjust salt and heat gradually to avoid overpowering the greens. For serving, pair collards with cornbread, rice, or roasted meats for a comforting meal. Leftovers store well in the fridge for 4 days and freeze in portions for quick weeknight sides that reheat gently on the stove or microwave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.